Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and first time shave test of the Mont Source Shave Solution, which is in this box right here. Backstory on this product is I actually received an advertisement for it on my Facebook feed. And so I reached out to the company to review this product because I review a wide variety of shave gels, solutions, soaps, and things like that. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll go over the packaging, the general features of the solution, its ingredients, and its overall aroma. Then I'll walk through shaving with this for the first time, and then I'll give you feedback of how it performs and whether I would think it would be a good product for purchase for your own personal use. As always, if you're interested in purchasing this, I'll leave links for you where you can find it on their website. Okay, so this is going to be the Mont Source Shave Solution. Currently, you can get it on their website for $29 for a 1 fluid ounce container, which is this size right here. I received this from the company. Per their website, this is really going to be a shave solution that encompasses 15 different essential oils that will act as a lubricant for providing a smoother, closer shave, as well as essential oils that will help with the hair follicles soften at their root. As far as what they provided with me was the actual shave solution. They also had kind of like this insert that you would give as a sample. Real quick on here, they basically say kind of the general instructions, but it says wet face generously to prepare beard for shaving. Dispense 4 or 5 pumps of the unique shave solution in a wet palm and thoroughly massage the area to be shaved. Wait about 30 seconds and then re-wet the face before beginning to shave. And then they state that it is uniquely water activated. So when you shave with it, you do want to have more moisture. So basically allow the razor with water to function as far as shaving. So that's the insert here, but on their website they have more details. We'll really quick go over kind of the box and the general features or kind of things that they state on the box. So here it says it's a product from the Mind of Nature unique shave solution. There are worlds brought together here. Has this kind of like insert here. It's 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters as far as size. They basically say application, generously wet face to prepare for shaving, pressed and dispensed 2 to 3 times. Wait 30 seconds for the lotion to activate, massage into the area to be shaved, and then if any area dries or if you experience razor drag, massage more water into the area, not more solution, and then when finished, simply towel dry. As far as what it contains, it says it's infused with multiple oils, including Egyptian geranium, Iranian galbanum, French peppermint, English lavender, North African myrrh, West Indian bay, Italian immortelle, Bulgarian yarrow, Indian sandalwood, menthol, and propylparaben, which is an organic preservative. And then here it says kind of information about it as far as the product. Says that it's the solution for modern shaving, clean, efficient, and effective. An infusion of 15 essential oils that were selected from around the world to achieve what is, without question, the smoothest shave you will ever experience. This careful blend is composed of 15 essential oils carefully selected for their cleansing and softening properties, and this proprietary blend penetrates the skin surface to remove impurities and soften the follicle, creating the perfect shave environment. And then it has their website, which is montsource.com, which you can definitely Google or check out the links below. But that's it as far as kind of the box. Real quick, we'll open it up and show you what comes in this. And so what we have here is the bottle. So basically it's like a clear kind of yellowish liquid in this bottle. Nothing too crazy here. And then it repeats the instructions as far as application. And then they also gave me 3 separate trials here, which is actually a large quantity. I would think, like, if you look at that, it'll add up. So if this is a good product, I got plenty to last. Real quick, what we'll do is we'll test this out. So I'm gonna just squirt out a couple squirts. So they say use 2 to 3 squirts, and that's about that content right there. It is definitely an oily blend, very oily, spreads evenly across like the entire palm of my hand, as you can tell. And then it's definitely an oil consistency. It's not a cream, it's not anything as far as that. As far as the aroma, it's a very, very strong aroma, very fragrant. And I'll say that the smells that pop out most are like a peppermint smell, and then let me see what's on the list here. The lavender for sure, and then like there's a hint of sandalwood and stuff. I would say that it's a weird aroma, to be honest. Like, I don't know if I'll like this smell, but it's just like a very fragrant aroma mix. It's definitely a mix of a wide variety of essential oils, and isn't like the best of smells, but it isn't crazy. But that's really it. So the smell, I don't know about hit or miss, but it does spread evenly. Definitely more than you need as far as this, and when you put it on your face, it'll probably be more than enough as far as that. So what I'll do is I'll wash up my hands, and then I'll set up the camera, and then we'll try to shave with this for the very first time. Okay, so I just showered. We're all set to try out the Mont Source Shave Solution. So what I'm gonna do is real quick wet my face, then we'll do a couple spurts of this, and then we'll try shaving with it. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 3 separate squirts as they recommended. I'm gonna spread this evenly in my hands and then spread it across my face. I'm gonna do an extra couple squirts just to play it safe, because I've never used an oil, so I'm not entirely sure how the consistency is going to be, but they say wait 30 seconds, let this sit in, and then you can start shaving with that afterwards. In the meantime, as far as kind of general feel of this, the aroma is a unique smell. It is definitely something different, so to be honest, I don't even know how best to describe it. It is pretty fragrant, so if you purchase it, you just have to kind of see if you like it or not. It's kind of strong. It's not the best, not the worst, but it's just a unique smell. And then as far as touch and feel on my face, I will say that there is a sense of menthol. There is a kind of like a cooling sensation to your face when you're feeling it. And that's the immediate response. Now what we'll do is we'll just try to shave with this and see kind of how effective it is. It's not very different because it's not a shave cream. It's not a shave soap or anything like that. So I'm not sure how best this will work. But we'll just kind of go and try it out. So overall, first impressions, at least on this side, surprisingly, I did cut myself here. I caught myself on the edge there, which isn't uncommon to be honest, but surprisingly, it actually shaved better than anticipated. Like when you first feel this, like with the oil solution, you don't really get any sense that this will lubricate, because to be honest, on your face, it's just kind of like there. But here, like after shaving this area, it's definitely smoother than I anticipated, and it does function better than I thought it would. So that's pretty surprising, to be honest, based on first impressions. But I'm going to shave the rest of my face here. All right, so that's shaving. I did cut myself pretty bad here, but it is what it is. That's shaving with it the first time, so I'll say that in general, you can tell that it wasn't the closest shave. As you can see, like there's still straggling hairs all around, kind of like it's not the closest shave as far as that component of it. So what I'm gonna do is do one more pass with this like I typically would to get a sense, and we'll just kind of reapply it as I normally would do with any other shave cream. And so we'll do another 3 squirts, so 1, 2, 3, and then we'll just spread this evenly across my entire face. And then we'll do one more pass at like a 30-degree angle. I will say that this time around, after having shaved the area previously, it is a little bit smoother and it does seem like a little bit closer as compared to the first time. And I definitely did cut myself pretty bad here, which is just oozing out on camera. All done shaving. I'll say that, so when you feel this, it is very smooth, to be honest. Like, it's a very nice close shave. It is a smooth consistency. The oil did kind of lubricate or like condition my skin as I was shaving, which is a nice unique experience, because usually I use a shave cream or a shave soap where it kind of is on the surface but washes off, versus the essential oils in here do kind of penetrate into the skin as you're shaving, which is nice because it's a little bit different than having to need like a shave balm or shave conditioner afterward, or cream afterwards or whatever. But it was a unique experience. So overall, I'm impressed with the fact that it's a shave solution that did shave with that minimal amount across my entire face. I did cut myself here, but to be honest, I kind of just cut it with the blade. I don't think it had to do with the actual shave solution, because if you look at the rest of my face, I didn't cut myself anywhere else, so I think it was just me distracted. So just keep that in mind. The overall aroma is unique. It is very fragrant. It's all those essential oils that are in it. It's something that, to be honest, I think the best way to get a sense of this would probably be reach out to the company, ask for one of their samples and have them send it to you. And if that fragrance is something that works for you, then you can buy the bigger bottle, and that's probably your best bet. But it's something where I don't know if somebody would go ahead and purchase this on their own with that fragrance without knowing it ahead of time. So I think that's your best solution here. But it is a subtle, kind of just very fragrant aroma that some people like, some people won't like. But that's kind of the gist of it. As far as quantity, so 1 fluid ounce, this is how much I've used after 1 shave. So you got a good decent amount for $29. I don't know if it's the best bang for your buck, with like shave shampoo or shave bars and other shave creams and things like that. They may last longer, but I have to get a sense with using this over time as far as the quantity and what's actually needed versus not, based on my skin type and how much hair I typically have on my face when shaving. So that's really all I have for this video. Hopefully it was helpful, but this is the Mont Source Shave Solution. You can check it out on their website. It's about $29 or $30. Reach out to them for a sample. Hopefully they could provide it so you get a general sense of the fragrance and whether you like this. But it's something worthwhile to try out. I was impressed overall with the smoothness of this shave. Sorry, I'm bleeding. Smoothness of the shave, with the fact that it's just an oil and nothing else as far as other components. So thanks for watching and have a great night.